Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to unhide apps on your iPhone. If you're swiping around and you're having difficulty finding an app because you have hidden it, then let me show you how to unhide the app. You can unhide the apps in two ways. You can use the Spotlight feature or the app library. So let me first show you the Spotlight feature. To find an app using the Spotlight feature, swipe down on your home screen and then start to type the app name you're looking for. So for example, I'll start typing in TikTok. The Spotlight search will go ahead and return back the TikTok app. From here, you can open the app or you can drag it to the home screen to unhide it. The second way of unhiding an app is through the app library. To access app library, swipe all the way to the right until you see this screen. This is a new addition in iOS 14 where you'll see all these apps. Here I'll search for TikTok and I'll get these results. From here I can open the app or I can just drag it up onto the home screen to unhide it. And that is how to unhide apps on your iPhone. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.